Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at the Gearwrench 22-piece SAE and metric magnetic ball end long arm hex key set. That's a mouthful. Okay, it's this set right here. Let's see what it says about it. It says it's got a magnet inserted on the ball end of key, provides efficiency in holding fasteners in tight work areas. It's an alloy steel for extreme strength and durability. The ball end design allows the hex key to access the fasteners at a 25-degree angle. The chamfered edges guide tool smoothly into fastener. That's the side that's not rounded. Formed to precise tolerances. That's about all it says on the back here. Probably says all the same things up here. Magnetic end on the ball end for secure hold. Made of alloy steel for extra strength. Chamfered edge, that's not the ball edge, for quick placement. Ball end design for 25-degree access. All right, let's open it up. So it's got both the, does this just slide out of here? I think it does. If it wasn't, oh, there's staples in there. It's got both standard and metric in here, one of each. So the black one, your standard, you've got, I don't know what, the smallest one is a 0.05, then you got 1/16, 5/64, 3/32, 7/64, 1/8, 9/64, 5/32, 3/16, 7/32, 1/4, 5/16, and 3/8. And that is your standard. And it's got a folding, you can fold out so you can get to everything, and you just have to turn them out of your way, and you can pull it out, put it back in. Man, that's a small one. That's tiny, a little 0.05. But that is your standard. It's a little, nice little case there for it. And here is your metric. A little bit smaller. They don't have as many in this one, I guess. I don't know. Anyways, it's the same thing. It has a little, it opens up to get to them, but it's got a 1.5, a 2, a 2.5, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, 8, and 10. So it does skip a few, but I'm sure it'll get the job done in most of them. So it's just a regular, I mean, besides the ball end and the magnet in them, it's just your regular set of standard and metric hex keys. So thanks guys for watching my video, and if you like it, give me that thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel, guys. Thanks, have a great day.